Good night, teacher Reinaldo. My name is Vivian Lice Jimenez Noguera. I am 33 years old. I live in the city of Cali. I am nursing assistant at the work in new EPS. I live with my husband, my children, my cat, my grandmother. The topic I will deal talk about activities used to do when you were a child. When I was a girl, I liked to go to the pool with my parents. I liked to ride my little bike in the company of my friends. I liked traveling on vacation to my grandparents' farm with my mom. It was fantastic. I like to read a lot and do all my tasks because if I behaved myself, they gave me an ice cream. In the other hand, I always loved cats, and as a child, I had a lot of fun playing with them. My childhood was very nice, thanks to my grandparents and my parents. Thank you.